Okay, boy, does it get any better than a Sassy Grass 4-speed AAR Cuda. This car just got done a couple days before the show. The owner finished it up. He did most of the restoration work himself, and he was very happy to have the car here, as we were to have the car here as well, because you don't see too many Sassy Grass cars. The only other nice version I've seen recently is Lou Rodriguez's car, and his is a vinyl top, but this car here is a hardtop car, and this car is beautiful. Gentleman who owns the car is Gary. Do a little walk around on the car right now, as I do with all of them, just to kind of show you the car a little bit. You get to see it as it is. I'm going to get Gary over here to tell me a little bit about the car and to fill you guys in as well, because he did most of the work on this car, and to see the car in person, you'd understand he did a fabulous job on it. Love to hear stories like these. He took the pride and time to do the car, and I want to have him tell you about it. So Gary, tell me a little bit about the car, because you did most of the work yourself on this, correct?
I sure did. I spent at least 1,500 hours working on it. Bought it in 1985 in Trucksville, Pennsylvania, from a gentleman who was intending to restore it but never did, and had the engine out of it. It was gone, so I bought the car without engine, and found an engine in Ohio in 1986 that was panned, air cleaner, complete TA motors, factory replacement block that has no serial number on it, but finally got started on the car 6 years ago after retiring, so I could have the time to do it, and spent countless hours restoring it. Had a good friend of mine, Jeff Stoff from Lackawaxen, Pennsylvania, that helped me do some of the metal work on the body and get that started out straight, and he's an engine builder, so he worked with me on the engine as well. But I took it from there and did the final body work and painted it. Interior, seat covers, headliner, pretty much all the way through the car. It was a total rotisserie build, right down to nothing. You couldn't unbolt anything left from the car. And just spent quite a few years, like I say, 6 years working on it. Just got her done a couple days ago, put the Pentastar on the right lower fender.
And in your eyes, you said when you got the Pentastar on the car was done. That was your end point to the car. You said when that Pentastar goes on there, the car is done, and it is. And I was really impressed. The body and paint on this you did yourself, and it is amazing for for someone who doesn't do body and paint for a living.
Right.
You did the work, and the paint on it is really nice. You guys should see this car in person. It's a beautiful car, it really is. And a lot of pride in the car, because I know you did all the work yourself. And boy, is this let's take a look under the hood real quick before you get out. I know you want to get out here and get on the road. Let's get under the hood here and take a look.
To all of our automotive flea market vendors and midway partners. You can visit them here.
So fresh and clean, right out of the restoration shop.
It'll never look better than it is right now. So.
It's a beautiful color. Sassy Grass is one of the top colors, and people look for cars today. They want to look for the black, pink, and sassy. They want these colors, and this color is just beautiful. I think the only other thing I like with a sassy car is a white interior. It's just a gorgeous color combination. But this car is a black interior, H6X9, and you really didn't hold nothing back at the way it looks. I mean, I know I was going over the car with you a little bit, trying to point some things out, small detail stuff, but the car really doesn't need anything hardly at all. It's gorgeous. You did a fabulous job. Good look at the interior here.
Those of you winning awards in the different classes this weekend.
Just a real fine example of a car.
We thank you for doing that.
We thank you for coming, Gary. I mean, I know this weekend was just crazy, so busy, but you enjoyed yourself and had a good time?
Yeah, with a joy to meet all the other AAR owners and just look at their cars and see the hard work they put in and how more accurate they are than mine. You can probably find a whole bunch of things wrong with it, but I just did the best I could, and
let me tell you something.
Research. I spent hours and hours researching to see what was right, what wasn't, and just praise the Lord for the blessing to be able to work on this car.
Yep.
And just
Check out the vendors.
put it out there for other people to
Women's
enjoy as
Oasis is
well.
still
So it's
open.
been a wonderful time, and
Display
Jeff,
buildings are still
thank you
happening.
so much for involved in this show here and this program, and just the seminar and everything
we
else
wanna thank
related to it.
Everyone who
to
came this
make it,
weekend, being a part of.
That's why we do it. We want everybody to enjoy themselves and have a good time. And this reunion was no different than any other ones we've done. But there you go, folks.
Had a great weekend.
FJ6 4-speed, man, it don't get better than
that.
that. Thanks again, once again, transamcuda.com, the AAR Cuda Registry, Challenger TA Registry, Hamtramck Historical. That's Barry's stuff. Go visit him, say hello. Like it, share it, comment, let me know what you think. And on to the next one. See you guys.